Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of a new and latest Vivo Y22 smartphone. So now quickly open it up. So here in top we get the phone. You can see here is the phone itself. It is in metaverse green color. The starlit blue color is also available. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the transparent back case. And this is the reading manuals and warranty card you get in the box. And guys, this is the 18-watt fast charger you get in the box with, you can see here it is. It is the 18-watt fast charger you get in the box. This is the USB type C to USB 2.0 cable. And this is the SIM ejector pin. Okay, that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So guys, here's the phone itself. Quickly remove its plastic cover. So you can see here's the phone itself. If we talk about the weight of this phone, it is 190 gram and the thickness of this phone is 8.38 mm. And if we talk about the design, it's made by 2.5D plastic, stylish and trendy design with advanced surface texturing technique, as you can see. Yep guys, phone design looks really good, as you can see. It has advanced surface texturing technique. Font design looks stylish and trendy, as you can see. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. So here we have a triple card slot. We can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card up to 1 TB, which is a really good thing. And on this side we get the side mounted fingerprint with the volume up and down key. And on bottom it has main speakers, USB type C port, main microphone and 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on this side we get nothing. And here you can see on back guys, it has a 50 megapixel main camera with large sensors, and it has 2 megapixel camera over there, and it has dual LED flashes, as you can see, AI camera. And on front it has 6.55 inches HD plus display with 8 megapixel front camera over there. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So as you can see, I have set up the device and phone is loading. So here it is, we are in the main screen of Vivo Y22 smartphone. If we slide from bottom, we get in the app drawer. And if we slide here, we get the Google feedback feature level. And if we slide from top, we get the notification center over there. You can see available. Helpful quick settings and brightness adjustment is also available there. So as you can see. So now if we go in settings, about phone. So as you can see, the processor, it has 2 GHz octa-core processor and it has 4 plus 4 GB RAM. Yes, it has also RAM expansion technology, and Android version is Android 12, and the phone storage is 64 GB. The 128 GB storage is also available. And if we go in software information, so as you can see, OS version FunTouch OS 12 global. And here if we go in Android security update, it is of December 1, 2022, and the Google Play system update is of June 1, 2022. Okay, now as you can see, FunTouch OS 12 running on Android version 12. Go back. So guys, as you can see, if we talk about the UI of the smartphone, it is running really smooth, as you can see. Yep, the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth, as you can see. Yep, guys, the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth. Okay, after it, if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with the Vivo Y22 smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. And if we talk about its side-mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, so quickly check this out. If we talk about the side-mounted fingerprint, I put finger, I put, and you can see it unlock the phone. I put and it unlock. Try it many times. I put and it unlock. Try in different ways. I put and it unlock. I put it unlock. So guys, as you can see, the side-mounted fingerprint is fast and responsive. As you can see, it is really fast and responsive. You can see I put and it quickly unlock the phone. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, I'm not seeing. I see and it unlock the phone. Okay, I'm not seeing. I see and it unlock the phone. I see and it unlock the phone. So guys, both side mounted fingerprint and face unlock both are really fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing of Vivo Y22 smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.